So you guys know by now, I am a token maxer. I love making my workflows and testing all the different types of CLI encoding agents. I have multiple Claude, I have multiple codecs. I like Grok build now. I don't like Cursor. And basically, I just create workflows around them, especially using the Orca CLI, like I showed you guys last video. Now, entering the age of you need to try to take care of how many tokens you're burning, et cetera, et cetera. And yes, CLIs can call other CLIs as sub-processes, but I had a problem. I have multiple projects. I scale a lot. I have a MacBook M4 Pro Max. And when I was using the Codex terminal a lot, it used to freeze. And then I also noticed is just like certain output wasn't the same when you're comparing GPT 5.6 and Fable. Obviously they're different, but the harnesses make a difference. And I just haven't found a harness outside of the one that I built myself. I have a Pi harness that's better than Claude Code because of the tools it provides. So what if you can use Claude, Fable 5, Opus, and Claude Code, but you can use GPT 5.6 in Claude Code, and you can use Grok in Claude Code, and you can use whatever other LLM in Claude Code. Now, people have made routers before. That's never been new, but there's this new thing called CLI Proxy, and I just found it today. And it's changed. You put this on top of the Orca, bro, because how much time have you put into optimizing your hooks and your skills and all this shit for Claude Code? And then you have to run a parody fucking script to make sure that it works in Codex, and then make sure it works in Grok build. And you're sharing duplications of files across 3 different CLIs. What if you can just use all the LLMs in one CLI? That's the perfect world, right? Let me show you. So you guys see my terminal, right? Claude, enter, and you'll see it. Fable 5, right? Regular Claude Code. New tab, Claude-Sol, Claude Code GPT 5.6 Sol. New tab, Claude-Grok, Claude Code Grok 4.5. Do I have to explain to you how this changes the workflow if you tie it in with my last video when I give you guys the Orca skill? And you already guys know the vibe, right? Claude multi-model skill is going to help you install all of this, install the CLI proxy. It's going to help you say what subscriptions you have, and you just log in and now you have it. It's going to set up your config. So everything you ever done in Claude Code, you'll no longer have to keep syncing it over. It runs in Claude Code. And Claude Code just has a better harness for workflows and agent orchestration. You guys know my body. Comment down below and Donna will send it to you.